Network Load Balancer, or NLB, is Amazon Web Services' solution for ultra-high performance traffic distribution. It's specifically designed to handle TCP and UDP traffic at massive scale while maintaining incredibly low latency. Think of it as the speed champion among AWS load balancers, capable of processing millions of requests every second. Network Load Balancer operates at Layer 4 of the OSI model, which is the transport layer. This means it works directly with TCP and UDP protocols, distributing traffic across multiple targets with extreme efficiency. What makes NLB truly special is its ability to handle millions of requests per second while maintaining latency in the microsecond range. It's optimized for sudden and volatile traffic patterns, making it perfect for real-time applications where every millisecond counts. NLB comes with 4 key performance features that set it apart. First, extreme speed. It can handle millions of requests per second with microsecond-level latency. Second, static IP addresses. You get one static IP per availability zone, which makes whitelisting and firewall configuration much easier. Third, it's connection-based, meaning it maintains long-lived TCP connections for optimal performance. And fourth, native protocol support for TCP, UDP, and TLS traffic without any additional configuration. NLB handles both TCP and UDP traffic, but they're suited for different use cases. TCP traffic is best for applications that need reliable, ordered delivery like web applications, database connections, email services, and file transfers. UDP traffic, on the other hand, is ideal for scenarios where speed matters more than guaranteed delivery, such as gaming servers, video streaming, DNS queries, and IoT communications where low latency is critical. The architecture of Network Load Balancer is elegantly simple. Client requests arrive at the NLB, which operates at Layer 4. The load balancer then uses a flowhash algorithm to distribute these connections across multiple targets. This algorithm considers factors like source IP, source port, destination IP, destination port, and protocol to ensure consistent routing. Once a connection is established, all packets from that flow go to the same target, maintaining session consistency. NLB supports 4 different types of targets, giving you flexibility in architecture design. You can target EC2 instances directly for maximum control over your infrastructure. You can use IP addresses, including private IPS within your VPC, or even on-premises resources through VPN or Direct Connect. You can chain an application load balancer as a target, combining the benefits of both load balancers. And you can even use Lambda functions as targets for serverless, event-driven workloads. NLB provides comprehensive health checking and monitoring capabilities. Health checks can be performed using TCP, HTTP, or HTTPS protocols with configurable intervals and thresholds to ensure only healthy targets receive traffic. It integrates seamlessly with CloudWatch, providing real-time metrics on active connections, processed bytes, and target health status. You can set up automated alarms for proactive monitoring. Additionally, flow logs capture detailed information about traffic flowing through the NLB, which is invaluable for security analysis and troubleshooting. Network Load Balancer excels in specific scenarios. Real-time gaming applications benefit from its ultra-low latency and ability to handle millions of concurrent connections. Financial trading platforms require microsecond-level latency for high-frequency trading, making NLB the perfect choice. IoT applications with massive device fleets can leverage NLB's support for both UDP and TCP protocols. Video streaming services need the high throughput that NLB provides for live streaming and media delivery. Any service requiring static IP addresses for whitelisting benefits from NLB's one static IP per availability zone. And finally, applications with volatile traffic patterns that experience sudden spikes benefit from NLB's instant auto-scaling capability.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.